Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about two variable K map. Okay, ma? Two variable corner map. So two variable K map, how many cells are there? 4 cells. Okay, ma? There we are having one quad possibility and the remaining pair possibilities are there. Okay, ma? We are doing some examples based on SOP, sum of product star, and POS, product or sum terms. Okay, ma? So now in this class, we start the three variable corner map. Okay, three variable K map. So in three variable K map, how many cells are there? How many cells are there? 2 cube. That is 8 number of cells are there in three variable K map. Okay, ma? So if we are taking the general K map for three variables, okay, here this side we are taking one variable, either ABC or XYZ. Okay. X is taking this side and here we are taking two variables this side. Those are Y, Z. Okay, ma? Y, Z. Here only one variable is here at this side. That's why the combinations for one variable are 0 and 1 only. Okay, ma? So this side, two variables are there, YZ. YZ. Two variables are there. Then what are the combinations we are taking? Zero, zero, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So if two variables are taking, these are the combinations we are getting. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Actually, if you here, you will be getting some doubt. What is that? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But here, 1, 0 is kept here and 1, 1 is kept here. Why we are taking like this? So the reason is here, if you take these two numbers, the first two numbers, so how many bits are changed here? 0, 0, 0, 1. That means only one bit is changed. Okay? Only one bit is changed here. Okay, Amma? See here, take these two combinations, 0, 1, 1, 1. Take these two combinations at which bit? How many bits are changed here? 1 is common. So this 0 is changed as 1. Okay, ma? Are you understand? Only one bit is changed here. Okay. Take these two combinations. How many bits are changed here? 1, 1, 1, 0. That means only one bit is changed here. Okay, ma? Are you understand? That's why only we are taking 1, 1 here and 1, 0 here. Remember this point. Okay. Suppose if you are putting 1, 0 here, then what happened? 0, 1, 1, 0. Two bits are changed. 0, 1, 1, 0. Two bits are changed. That's why here 1, 0 is taking here, 1, 1 is taking here. Okay, ma? Remember this point. For all the corner maps, the combinations will be taking like this. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, remember here. So these are the values for Y and Z. Okay, 0, 0 means Y equal to 0, Z equal to 0. 0, 1 means Y equal to 0, Z equal to 1. 1, 1 means Y equal to 1, Z equal to 1. 1, 0 means Y equal to 1, Z equal to 0. Okay, ma? Are you understand? Now here, how many cells are getting? Totally 8 number of cells. So what is the combination here we are getting at this cell? At this cell, what is the combination you will be getting? First cell, X is 0, Y is 0, Z is also 0. Okay, Amma? Here, X is 0, Y is 0, Z is 1. Okay? Here, X is 0, Y is 1, Z is 1. Okay? Next, X is 0, Y is 1, Z is 0. Okay? So here, X is 1, Y is 0, Z is 0. Here, X is 1, Y is 0, Z is 1. Here, X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 1. Here, X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 0. Okay, Amma, these are the corresponding cells. Now, what is the value for 0, 0, 0? This will be equivalent to 0. This cell is equal to 0. 0, 0, 1 means 1. 0, 1, 1 means 3. Okay, Amma? 0, 1, 0 means 2. 1, 0, 0 equal to 4. 1, 0, 1 that is equivalent to 5. 1, 1, 1 that is equivalent to 7. 1, 1, 0 that is equivalent to 6. Okay, ma? This is the general K-map for 3 variables. Okay, ma? If you are taking SOP, sum of products. Okay, ma? SOP. In SOP, if you will be getting 0, product terms will be taking. Okay, ma? Product terms will be taking. Okay, here 0 is there, then that will be taking in complemented form. 1 is there, then that will be taking an uncomplemented form. Okay, ma? Uncomplemented form. This is A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, this cell belongs to A bar, B bar. Here, sorry, here X, Y, Z. We are taking the variables X, Y, Z. That's why X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay, ma, based on the variables we are taking, we are getting the products here. Okay, here we are taking variables X, Y, Z. That's why this is belongs to X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Okay, this will be X bar, Y bar, Z. X bar, Y, Z. X bar, Y, Z bar. Okay, X, Y bar, Z bar. X, Y bar, Z. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z bar. Okay, ma? If you are taking the product of sums, then each cell having the sum term. Okay, ma? Each cell having the sum term. Okay, here if 0 is there, then that will be taking in uncomplemented form without bar. Uncomplemented in the sense without bar. Complemented means with bar. Okay, ma? 1 is there, then this will be taking complemented form. Okay, ma? 0, 0, 0 means X plus Y plus Z. Here, X plus Y plus Z bar. X plus Y bar plus Z bar. X plus Y bar plus Z. Okay, are you understand? This will be X bar plus Y plus Z. X bar plus Y plus Z bar. x bar plus y bar plus z bar, x bar plus y bar plus z. Okay, ma? So in this way, we are taking the K-map for SOP expressions and POS expressions. This will be called as min terms. Are you remember? Min terms, summation, M of. We are taking like this. Okay, ma? Here, POS, pi M of, pi, capital M of. Okay, max terms. Okay, ma? Are you remember? Now, in this three variable K-map, how the groups are formed. Okay, how the groups are formed. In this, totally, what are the maximum number of cells? What are the maximum number of cells here? Maximum number of cells is here is 8. Okay, ma? That's why here this here the octet possibility. 8 ones are grouped. That means here in SOP terms we are putting 1 in the given expression. Okay, in the given expression terms we are putting 1 and we are grouping ones only. Okay, ma? We are grouping ones only. Suppose if you are taking in POS, we are putting 0 in the corresponding terms and we are in the expression. Okay, so we are taking groups, grouping zeros only. Okay, here maximum cells are 8. Okay, ma, the maximum number of cells are here is 8. So here one octet possibility is there. One octet possibility is there. Next, quad. Quad possibility is also here. How the quad? Quad means 4 number of ones. Okay, ma? 4 number of ones. Next, pairs also possible. Pairs also possible. Okay. So how many quad possibilities are there and how many pair possibilities are there? Now we discuss. Okay, ma? So now see here. Octet means totally 8 number of ones. Okay, ma? That means totally if all the ones, then this is the possibility. This is the one group, totally 8 number of ones. Suppose if any expression, based on the expression, if you will be getting ones in all the number of cells, then this is a group for octet. Okay, ma? Do you understand? First we discussed about SOP. SOP only. That means here SOP means this will be small m naught. Okay. Small m1. Small m3. Small m2. M4. M5. M7. M6. Okay, ma? First we discuss about sum of products terms. Okay. So if all are ones, then we are taking like this, the group octet. Okay, ma? One octet is formed like this. Suppose if how the quad group will be taking in this three variable K map. Okay, ma? How the quad group will be taking means here here x, here we are taking yz. Okay, this will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember this. Okay, this sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, ma. Now, how the quad possibilities are there means here adjacent ones only grouped. Okay, like two variable K map. So this is one possibility for quad. Okay, next, this is another possibility for quad. Okay, next, this is another possibility. This is another one. This is another one. Okay, ma. Next, this is also one. Okay, these are the possibilities to group the adjacent number of ones, that is quad. Okay, ma. Next, pairs means pairs. By taking one example, we'll discuss these groups. Okay, ma. After that, adjacent ones only we group. Okay, here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so pairs, that means these two number of ones, these two number of ones, like this, okay, like this here also, two number of ones, or otherwise these are also adjacent, either horizontally or vertically. Okay, ma. Do you understand? So these are the possibilities for pairs. Now we are taking one example and do the problem. How to simplify by using K-map. Okay. See here. This is X, Y, Z. So I'm not M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6. So previously here we draw some K-maps. So, or 8 adjacent mean terms, only one possibility. Okay, totally. Next, 4 adjacent mean terms are, these are the possibilities. Only first row, second row, this group, this one, or this one, like this. Okay, already we discussed it. 2 adjacent mean terms, like this. M0, M1, M3, M2, M1, M3, M4, M5, M5, M7, M7, M6, M0, M4, M1, M5, M3, M7, M2, M6. Okay, ma? Now we are taking one problem. Okay. F is equal to f of x comma y comma z is equal to summation m of 0, 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. Now we are simplifying these min terms by using K-map. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 7 means what is the expression you will be getting? 0 means 0, 0, 0. That's why x bar, y bar, z bar plus 1. 1 means 0, 0, 1. Okay. 0, 0, 1 means x bar, y bar, z plus 2. 2 means 0, 1, 0. Okay. X bar, y, z bar. 3. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 means x bar, y, z plus 7. 1, 1, 1. That is x, y, z. Okay. The problem is given like this or like this in the expression form. Okay, suppose if the problem is given in min terms, then that will be taking in the expression form like this. Okay, now here 3 variables are there. Draw the corner map for 3 variables. Okay, draw the corner map for 3 variables. Here x, y, z. Okay, ma? X value is 0, 1. YZ values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Remember this 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now we are putting 1 in the corresponding terms. Okay. See here x bar, y bar, z bar. That is here. Take the values also. This cell becomes 0. This cell value is 1. This cell value is 3. Compulsory you write these values also at the corners. Okay. This is 2, 1, 0, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay. So this is the general K-map. Now apply this expression to this K-map. Here we are taking the min terms, that is sum of products. Okay, ma? That's why we are putting 1 in the corresponding term. Okay. So now putting 1 x bar, y bar, z bar, that is 0. So here we are putting 1. Next x bar, y bar, z, that is 1. So this cell, the corresponding cell is this. Next x bar, y, z bar, that is 2. 2, that is here. So here we are putting 1. Next x bar, y, z, that is 3. Okay. 3 means the corresponding cell is this. Here also we are putting 1. Next x, y, z, that is 7. So here. Okay, ma. First, we are putting 1 in the corresponding terms. Okay, that means in the corresponding cells. Now we are grouping. Is there any octet possibility? Is there octet possibility? That means 8 number of ones are grouped, then that will be octet. Here this 4 number of cell, 4 value cell not having one. Here also not having one. Here also not having one. That's why not possibility for octet. Okay, so leave it. Next, quad possibility. Is there any quad possibility? That is 4 number of ones group is possible here. Check that. Okay, so is there any 4 number of ones possibility? So yes, that is this. Okay, this is 4 number of ones. Okay, all our ones are there, then only we are grouping. Adjacent ones, those are also. Okay, next this is remaining. So is there for this one, is there any possibility for pair? Is there any possibility for pair? Yes. What is that? This is one pair. Okay, are you understand? Now this is group 1. Four ones possibility is taking as group 1. This is group 2. Okay, 2 groups are possible, one quad and one pair. Okay, ma. Now the function is equal to, the simplified expression is equal to group 1 plus group 2. Okay, now see the expression for group 1. At this group 1, so what is x value? 0, 0. That means x bar. Okay, ma? X bar. What about yz values here? This group 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0. Here all the values are, all the combinations are covered. Okay, whenever all the combinations are covered, then that will be taking as 1. Why? Here, here y bar z bar. Okay, ma, this will be taking as y bar z bar. Okay, here this will be taking as y bar z. Okay, this will be taking as y z. Here y z bar. If you sum all the combinations, then you will be getting 1 by using Boolean laws. Y bar z bar, y bar z. Out of these two, see here also y bar z bar. Y bar z bar plus y bar z plus yz plus yz bar. Okay, see here, out of these two, which is taking as common? Y bar is taking as common. Then what is the remaining? Z bar plus Z plus, out of these two terms, which is taking common? Y. So what is the remaining? Z plus Z bar. Okay, so Z plus Z bar means this value is 1, this value is also 1. So y bar plus y, that is equal to 1. Okay, ma. So if you sum all the possibilities, then this will be getting 1. That's why for the first group, the x value is x bar. The x value is x bar. What about the yz values? 1. Okay, why we are taking 1? Here all the combinations covered by using this. Okay, next to take group 2. Group 2. What about the group 2 for x values? X values, this group covers x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. That means x bar plus x. What is x bar x? X bar plus x 1. That's why plus for group 2, x value becomes 1. What about yz values? Y 1 1, that is yz. Y z. Okay, ma. Totally, finally, what is the result you will be getting? X bar plus yz. X bar plus yz. This is the answer you will be getting. In this way, we are simplifying the Boolean expression, 3 variable Boolean expression by using K-map. Are you understand? Actually, this is the given expression. This is a given expression. By using K-map, if you simplify x bar plus yz, this is the result we are getting. Okay, ma, are you understand? Are you understand? In this way, in any problem, here, first understand how many variables are there. 3 variables are there, then draw the 3 variable general K-map. Okay, and is there any sum of products or product of sums? Here, sum of product will be there. That's why putting ones and grouping ones. Either here, maximum number of cells are 8. So, is there any possibility for 8 number of ones? So, no. Then we move to quad, that is 4 number of ones. Is there possibility? Then go to 4 number of ones and group it. Okay. Next, after completing that, try to pairs. Okay, ma, try to pairs. Suppose if there is no possibility for quad and pair, then leave it. That will be taking only single one, and we are taking the value for the corresponding value for single one. Okay, ma, and take the corresponding value for single one. Okay, are you understand? Are you understand here? Suppose if you are taking the groups like this, suppose x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Suppose in our given expression, suppose like this, you will be getting ones. Okay, then here 4 number of ones possibility is there. Okay, if you are taking this one, here one pair possibility is there, that is these two ones becomes a pair. Okay, this is totally group 1. Okay, ma, these two combinations is belongs to group 2. Okay, now the answer is group 1 plus group 2. So for this group 1, here this group 1 covers x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So x variable becomes 1. X bar plus x, that is 1. Out of these two, here this is y bar z bar. Okay, this is y bar z bar. This is y bar z. Okay, ma? Then here, out of these two combinations, which is common? Y bar z bar, y bar z. Y bar is common. Okay, ma? Y bar is common. That's why this is having the group 1 having the result y bar plus. Okay, for the group 1 contains the expression y bar only, because x bar plus x both are covered. That's why x bar plus x becomes 1. Out of these two, which is common, that variable is only getting, that's why y bar plus group 2. This is group 2. So here x value is 1. That's why x dot. What about yz values? Here y bar, this group contains y bar z bar. Here, what is that? 1, 0. That is y z bar. So y bar z bar, y z bar. What is common? Z bar is common. So x z bar. Okay. So this is the answer. Y bar plus x z bar. Okay, ma? So in this way, we are doing the problems. Suppose if all are ones are there, all are ones, then octet is possible. Octet is possible means we are getting the function is equal to 1. Okay, the function is equal to 1 because this total group contains x bar plus x, that is 1. The whole combinations y bar z bar plus y bar z plus yz plus yz bar, this is also becomes 1. 1 plus